If you're looking to get organized and visualize your work, one of the most powerful things you can do in Monday.com is create your very own calendar. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 simple methods for adding a calendar view to any Monday.com board, plus some tips for customizing it to perfectly suit the way you work. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently tracking deadlines, meetings, and project timelines, all in one place. Let's jump straight into the first method, which is using the built-in calendar view. Start by navigating to an existing board where you're managing tasks, or if you're starting fresh, go ahead and create a new board. It just takes a moment. Once you're looking at your board, to the left of your main table's name, you'll see a little plus icon. Click that, and a menu of view options will appear. Go ahead and select Calendar from that list. Instantly, Monday.com will generate a calendar that's populated by all the items from your board that have a date or timeline column. So, for example, if you're tracking events or deadlines, those will automatically show up on the right dates. But what if your board doesn't have a date column yet? No problem. Just click the plus at the top of your board, and from the column options, select Date. You can label this with whatever makes sense. Due date, meeting date, anything you like. This is crucial because without a date column, Monday.com won't know where to place your items on the calendar. So think of the date column like the anchor that ties your tasks to real-world time. Now, let's say you're looking at your calendar and want to add an event directly. Click on the specific date you need, and a plus icon will appear. If you click here, you can quickly add a new item right to that date. Let's say a client call, a project milestone, or even a reminder. This workflow is super intuitive and saves you time, especially if you want to brainstorm ideas or add details as your week unfolds. The second method is through the calendar widget, which is ideal if you want a more customizable view, or if you're working from a dashboard that pulls info from several boards. Start from your dashboard and look in the top left corner for the plus Add Widget button. Click that, select More Widgets, and in the widget center, search for Calendar. Once you find it, just hit Add Widget. Now you've got a dynamic calendar right on your dashboard, and you can adjust it so it displays items from multiple boards or tailor how it looks with color coding and other options. Once your calendar is set up, there are a few helpful ways to customize it. You can rename your calendar. Just click on its current name to edit it. This is handy for distinguishing between different boards or teams. If you want to see the big picture, switch to a monthly view. Need to focus on the nitty-gritty? Toggle to week or even day view. The navigation makes it simple. You can also filter the items shown, for instance, to look at tasks assigned to a particular team member, or filter by status. This makes your board less overwhelming and helps you zero in on what matters most. For tasks that span several days, adding a timeline column means you'll see blocks stretching across dates on your calendar. It's perfect for things like campaigns or projects with a start and end date, so you get a visual sweep of your workload. And if you run your life from Google Calendar or Outlook, you're in luck. Monday.com makes it easy to integrate, keeping all your events in sync without constant manual updates. And that's it. With these steps, you can create a clean, functional calendar in Monday.com that fits the way you work and helps you stay on top of all your important dates. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your own calendar tips, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.